Hello and welcome to the PassFab channel. MS Word files can be locked or password protected to prevent unauthorized access. If you have a Word document which you need to access, but you can't open or edit it because there's a password restriction, if you don't know the password, you don't have to worry. In this video, I'll show you how to unlock a protected Word file without needing the password. This is the test Word document I'll be working with, and as you can see, when I try to open it in MS Word, it requests for the password even before I can view any of its contents. We'll be using a dedicated tool for this job called PassFab for Word. This program is designed to remove Word file password protection for both open and editing restriction passwords. First, download and install PassFab for Word on your computer. When you open it, you'll see this simple interface. There's two options. One is to recover Word document open restriction password, and the second is to recover editing restriction password. Choose the type of password restriction on the Word file, proceed, and you'll arrive here. Add or import your Word document into the program. Select a password decryption option from the three options. Dictionary attack is the most convenient option to begin with if you don't know or remember anything about the password. The second option is brute force with mask attack. The third option is useful if you know nothing about the password, but it's going to take more time looking through every possible combination of characters to decipher the password. If you remember anything about the password, like the character length or combination and so on, you can select the brute force with mask option and customize accordingly. Click on Start, and PassFab for Word will begin the process of recovering the password. It uses advanced algorithms to quickly try out several character combinations, but it can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the complexity of the password on the Word file, although it's usually much faster than you'd think. Once it is finished successfully, it will display a confirmation message and the recovered password. You can then copy this password and use it to open your Word file. As you can see, you can now edit, copy, and format everything in the Word document as if it was never password protected in the first place. And that's all. If this tutorial saved you a headache, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward solutions just like this one.